In previous video, we learned how we can create a table in MySQL and how we can insert record in a table. Now today we learn select command. The select statement is used to pull information from a table. So we want to display any information of a table, that time we will use select command. Like if we want to select all data or display all data, then we use select star from table name. In that case our table name is employee. So this command will display all data from the employee table. So like we have all 5 columns in a table and we want to see a particular column, then we can select particular column by specifying column names in the select list of the select command, like select ename designation from employee. In that case only ename and designation will be displayed, no ecode and salary will be displayed. So we will try both this command on the MySQL. So we start MySQL. So our table name is employee. So I write here select star from employee and go. So we have all records. So in this table we have 4 columns and all 4 columns and all records are coming or displayed. So if you want to see particular column, like in this case we want to display ename and designation from our table name is employee, and here I hit go. There are only 2 columns are displaying ename and designation. So for all records I write select star from employee. Star denotes all fields of the table will be displayed, and if you want to display a particular column, instead of star I used to write whatever field you want to display, ecode or ename. So ecode and ename is displayed. Then selecting particular row of a table or where statement. So to display particular row we use the where command. So how we can use where command? Like select star from employee where salary is greater than 5,000. This it means it will display all record whose salary is 5,000. So again we execute this command on MySQL. So here I write select star from employee. It will display all records, but we want to see where salary is greater than 5,000. So I execute this query. So it will display all records whose salary is greater than, so there are 2 records whose salary is greater than 5,000. Salary is 5,000. Again I execute this query. Select star from my table name is employee, then where designation equal to manager. So person who are manager in our table will be displayed. So all records of whose designation is manager is displaying. Same thing can apply on our name field. Select star from employee where name equal to Ram. So whose name is Ram, all records will be displayed ename. So I execute the query and only one person is there whose name is Ram. So this record will be displayed. So today we learned about select command, from how we can display all data from a table and how we can display particular column from a table, and how we can filter records by using where statement for different conditions, like select star from employee where salary is greater than 5,000. This command will display all record whose salary is greater than 5,000. And again I try select star from employee where designation is equals to manager, then this command will display all record whose designation is manager.